God blast it.
Look, crack.
What did you just say?
I said, look back.
All right. What did you just say?
The plow.
From the inside.
All right, size guy. Shouldn't you be on size two?
What?
Ports. News flash. Shelf. Giant bots attacking this goddamn planet.
No!
The escape transports are escape transports.
So why aren't you on?
Suis.
Enough with the sauce!
What? Hell?
Working people have to wait, and people have to work for Captain Quark to save us.
Well, got anything worth a lot of bolts?
I got bolts. Two wheels.
It's him. Skidd Marx.
That man.
In the flesh, little dude. You guys are a load of shit.
We saw us.
Enough with the sauce!
That was like a war. My agent and I got ambushed.
Did he survive?
Dude, here, man.
Listen! You large balls! That was the most pathetic display I have ever seen on that course!
What do you mean? What do you mean?
We finished first, ma'am.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, but it is weak! I would devour dicks like that for butt sex!
Alright, let's see it.
Not so fast.
If it were up to Captain Quark, you would kill for the rest of the day! But somehow you managed to impress me.
You know about us?
He certainly does. And worst of all, he wants me to give you hip hop.
Alright, let's get it.
You are fucking sick!
Newsflash, Captain Quark's attacking! The escape transports are...